We noticed a lot of silt and buildup in our water, and so we got this water filtration system and we change the filters on it periodically. They last a good amount of time. So all you're going to do is turn off the water to your house, relieve the pressure, and then come in and unscrew this barrel. You're going to empty the water out that's left in it. You're going to put this filter back in and screw it back on, and that's all it is. It lasts a good amount of time. It gets rid of a lot of the silt and stuff that's going to be in your water. We're on well water, and so that eliminated a lot of the issues for us. You can use it on city water as well. I drink the water straight out of our faucets and can't taste anything. Another awesome feature about it is it doesn't slow down the flow of water that you get inside your house. So even though it has to go through this big filter, you still have the water pressure that you would have even if you didn't have the filtration system on. So it's not blocking the flow of anything like that. So it's super good for that. It's been a really good product for us in our house for several years. It's worked really well and it's an easy installation.